You can't catch me either.
Good thing you brought the dog. Amelia loves it. Oh yeah. Get her fries.
Oh! You missed that one. Did you go brush that one?
Good job.
Come back,
Mom, see a video. Touch him.
Throw it.
Gotta throw it.
Leo.
Difference. Well, that's Tucker's.
Holy cow.
Chewy! You hold on, Chewy! Look for the camera! Oh! Oh! Ava! Ava!
Don't.
Ava! Ava!
It's a tiger growling.
I'll have the other half. Maybe you can eat it all? Yeah, probably. And then the rest I'm going to cut in half.
Oh.
Say hi, kitty kitty.
Jack, look behind you.
That's like almost not cool. Like...
Go over, touch it. Nope.
What are you guys doing? Really? Playing with the baby wipes? Really?
Oh, you love your pup. So sweet. Oh, getting you now.
Go ahead, get back up there, Si.
Say hi, monkey.
Move, Mac.
You're giving it kisses. Giving it baby kisses. Good.
No.
Yep.
girl, Mac.
Look how vicious. They're vicious.
Go do it.
Are you the cutest thing? Are you just the cutest thing?
You have food. I know you do.
Oh! What the freaking heck?
Very nice.
That was that nice.
Oh, got this guy up too.
Ooh.
You got both of them. This was not a good show here. Quit on him.
Tracy, right? Hey, do me a favor, will you? If you see Peck around, tell him thanks for the tip today. Caught the killer, What? He told us to look into a guy named Crab. He's an enforcer for the Cobras. Picked him up an hour ago, and he's got gunshot residue all over his scrubby little fingers. Maybe 10%?
Ready?
Little Eva, sleeping in her swing. Dennis.
What's he doing? Oh! Here it comes again. Here it comes. Ah! Puppy! He's going to me.
Oh my goodness.
Ah! He's going to me.
Wait. Oh my
Did you see that, Mom?
I see. I'm right here, but I see.
Ah!
Hungry.
He thinks there's something in there.
JC, look here.
That's cool. Again.